I have grown with this university. I have seen the infrastructure developing. I have seen the faculty base expanding. I have seen the number of programs being introduced, number of institutes being established. So my bonding with this university is so strong. With the blessings of Kemasan Devi, she has taken care of this university and everything under the able guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. We have a very humanistic approach towards everything. So there's a lot of vibrance, lot of youthful vibrance in the university. Of course, it all depends on the leadership, and we are very lucky and very fortunate to have such a vibrant young Vice Chancellor. So the Honorable Vice Chancellor keeps us energized. He's the driving force behind us. I have seen it growing. I'm seeing it growing, and soon we will be recognized internationally also. Thank you so much.